Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to put this video out as quickly as possible, mainly because in my area we're in a freeze warning and we're expecting freezing temperatures coming up in the next 2 days. So a while back I made a decision to put out my tomato plants and my pepper plants, knowing that it's a bit early and knowing that there's a good chance that I may experience colder temperatures at least 1 or 2 more times. So in order to protect them, I wanted to share with you the way I'm gonna protect my tomato and pepper plants in order for it to get by. Now, one of the things that you can do is go out to your home improvement store and just purchase a frost blanket. All right, this will give you some protection against the weather. It's not a cure-all though, so keep in mind this only protects your plants for a short period of time, and if the temperatures are hovering around freezing, meaning 31, 32, 33 degrees. If you experience a deep freeze for a long period of time, this will not protect you. If you're in the bind and for some reason you cannot purchase a frost blanket, you can get creative with this and just use any kind of cardboard box you may have, whether it's from your Amazon boxes, moving boxes, or any type of box. As long as the plant is small enough, you can put out a box. All you need to do is put the box right over the plant, making sure the corner of the box is not touching the plant. If you don't have boxes, you can also use a bucket. This will give you some protection from the cold. As an extra layer of protection, after you put your box or bucket over the plant, you can use some type of garbage bag, or better yet, use a tarp in order to cover it as a secondary cover. This will provide you additional protection. And if it happens to rain, this will provide you a protection from the wet weather. It's really simple to do this. You don't have to go all out and purchase a bunch of things. Just use anything you may have around the house, cardboard box, a bucket, anything that you can put over the plant to provide a short-term protection from the freezing temperatures. Whatever you decide to use to cover your plants, you don't necessarily have to use boxes or buckets. As long as you have a plastic that's wide enough and big enough, you can place that over the plant, but it's key that it doesn't touch the plant. You want to find a way to anchor it around the plant without touching it.